All right, we are here today to record a tutorial on how to do the 4x4 challenge. Now the thing is that I gave the 4x4 challenge. I wanted to see what is the level of numeracy. Like, is it possible for a person to multiply a 4-digit number with another 4-digit number at the top of their head? So I gave out this challenge, and Adil, whom you had seen in the last video, he said that, well, unless you demonstrate how it's done, how do you expect other people to do it? And that was a very fair request.
So basically, I saw a few techniques on the internet.
Very nice.
And what I found was unless you write each digit, so either the techniques are vertically multiplication and division, and then you have to write each digit. Only then that can be worked out through those techniques. But what he said was it has to be at water level, by which he meant that the question will be written on the board, but you have to blurt out the answer. You cannot write questions, the answer one by one.
Correct.
So that is something which I could not find and I could not do. So I wanted to see if he can do it under 2 minutes.
Okay, under 2 minutes.
So I challenged him back.
Okay, so he gave my challenge back to me. Okay, now I'll tell you two things. Why this challenge is hard, why I want you to take up this challenge, because two faculties of your brain are simultaneously being loaded. What are those two faculties? Could you tell me? Which two faculties of your brain are being tested here? One, of course, is your mathematical ability, but more than that,
The memory.
STM. What is STM? Short-term memory.
Okay.
Your short-term memory is being loaded here. So unless you have a good grip over the numbers, I don't think so anybody can pull it off.
Right.
Now he did his search on YouTube. There are so many nice tutorials. Even I also did my research on YouTube, but I could not find a good video that can help you do a 4x4 challenge at the top of your head. So I thought that let me make one, and it would help another person. Maybe in near future, if somebody else is looking to accomplish the same thing, then I'll be happy if my video could be used as some reference.
Right.
We all have to stand on the shoulders of the giant, take the help to get ahead in our life. So I'll be happy to, I'm not a giant, but I'll be happy to step in. Okay, without further ado, let's get going. So let's start with the basic. Now, it's like running a marathon. You can't run a marathon, next day. You have to prepare for it. Even the seasoned athletes, they prepare for it. That's why it's challenging. But you start with running shorter distances. As your breathing power, your lung power, your stamina increases, you become more optimistic and you add more mileage to your running, to your practice. So let's start with this. This is our duster. If I ask you what is 9 times 7, I'm sure you don't have to calculate it, you'll recall. What is the answer?
63.
You know it, through memory. It is 63. I'll write it here anyways. But now I'm increasing the poundage. I'm increasing the load. If I say 2D times 1D, let's see how well you perform. So if I say what is 87 times 7, could you please work it out?
609. I think.
609. Very nice. Let me also see. So it would be what? 560 plus 14. Absolutely correct answer. Wow. See? He has the potential.
Right?
Let's see. There is a saying, the last straw on the camel's back. We'll be loading his back. Let's see how far we can go. But well done, Adil. You are showing a lot of promise. I'm loading your back now. So now we are doing 3D times 1D.
Okay.
Let's say I give you a number 689 times 7.
Four, 8, forgot the other one.
Try, keep trying, yeah, no problem.
One second.
Take your time, take your time.
4, 8, 2, 3.
Okay.
I
I have
think
not
so.
checked the answer yet. I use a technique called fulcrum point,
Okay.
which we are going to cover in another video, because that's not a necessity for 4x4 challenge. This is 3x1. I just did it for testing purpose. So this is the fulcrum point technique. Okay. So 560 plus 63 is 623, 48, 23, 100% correct answer. Very, very nice. See?
But it was difficult. It was difficult.
He has the potential, you know. I have chosen the right horse, you know. I have bagged my money on the right horse. Good. Very nice, Adil. Come on, you are showing lot of grit and stamina, you know. Everybody is cheering for you. Well, in the background we have Shan. Shan could just make an appearance, you know. Just a brief appearance.
He's
Same
the
guy
pie.
who
pie
made
guy.
me poorer by 2500 rupees, you know. And I think he'll also take it. Okay, you
think
can
that-
go back. Yeah. What if now, so far we were doing linear, single digit versus whatever. It is still, you know, you can process it. But when it becomes non-linear, I would like to see how you negotiate that terrain. You know, one is like you are running flat, but then if I put hurdles, it's non-linear. Then how do you negotiate that? So I'll start with very simple non-linear 2D times 2D. 60. I'll be very impressed if you're able to pull this off. 68 times 79. Before he does that, let me tell you something. This is the real deal. In order to do the 4x4 challenge, you need to do this operation 4 times. Stack them, add them. So if you are able to get past this hurdle, that would make him the promising contender if he is able to get this one right. Okay, so give it a try. Let's see. ईशान रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है ना? सॉरी.
It's difficult. It's difficult. I mean, I can't recall.
Doesn't matter. I just did it like this, but let me do it again. Okay, now try to understand. This is the important most technique. It is called rainbow multiplication. So I'll erase all this and I'll tell you how it is to be done.
Okay.
First of all, I'll be using the very basic tool. That means the single digit tables only. I don't know the table of 68 or 79,
Right.
so you don't have to go that far. Using the single, now okay, another thing. See, I have to introduce you to the theory. I talk a lot because I have lot many things to say, so let me tell you something. Like when I was a child, I started learning Kung Fu, you know, and then I realized that Kung Fu is divided into 2 parts. One is the internal Kung Fu, the other is the external Kung Fu. And the Kung Fu practitioners tell you that internal Kung Fu is 99%, and what you see, those hoo, ha, ha, all those things, that's just 1%. In order to get that 1% right, you have to master the 99%, the internal part. That is why I'll tell you the theory behind it, and then how you apply it practically, that comes as the 1% of application. Now, this is a macro calculation. Macro is a bigger calculation. It is made up of micros. There must be around 10 micros that make up this macro calculation. Micro is just single digit times single digit. So you just need to know your multiplication table till 9.
9.
10 is a 2-digit
Right.
number, so not even 10. I am sure you have the basic paraphernalia, the raw material, isn't it? Let's see how we use it. So, it's called the rainbow multiplication. You start with the inside. You basically make a rainbow in your head. What is 8 times 7?
56.
That's it. Add to it, again I'm making a rainbow. Concentric circle is a rainbow pattern. This is 54. Now, add 56 and 54.
110.
Absolutely correct answer. 110. So where should I put it? I'll put it here. 100. Oh no, this is not a good space. I'll put it here. 110. Now what you do, you put a 0. Why 0? Because you are dealing with base of 10. Our counting system is the decimal place value system. Decimal means base of 10. So just put a 0 here. I'm just telling you the steps. Okay. Now do the first with the first. You get
42.
excellent. 42 plus 11.
53.
And that was the first part of the answer.
Oh.
Now you do the last with the last. What do you get?
72.
72, and because there is 0 0 here, so you don't have to add much. So first you got 42 here, then you got 72 here. You simply have to stack them and add them in your head, so you get the same answer, 5372. This is the building block of your 4x4 challenge. You can't run 42 kilometers on the trot. You have to build up your stamina, your lung power, your memory, your ability to grip the numbers, process the number. Okay. You understood what it takes. Now you have to pick up the speed. So just shoot numbers at me at random.
2D?
Say 2D numbers. Yeah, we are still practicing 2D. See, this video is being recorded.
I'll use the calculator.
Sure, he can use the calculator. So Adil Bhai and of course anybody who is watching can replay this video over and over again. So I'll be doing multiple examples. You can keep track of me, use my voice as the cue to, work with your brain. Okay. There are too many mosquitoes we are recording in the park. So, they are distracting us.
And I'm wearing black.
And he's wearing black. Thankfully, I am not.
So should I record or use this for this?
It doesn't matter. My time is under 10 seconds for 2x2, but we'll check that later on.
Okay.
Just say any 2-digit number.
So 76 by 93.
Sure. Just say start and listen to me. I'll be repeating the same process again. See how nimbly I process it. You can time me as well when you say start. When I say stop, you can stop it. Okay, say start.
Start.
Okay, 54 plus 21 is 55, 75, so 750 and 70, 50, 70, 71. Stop. I should have said 70, 68 I should have said. But anyhow, sometimes, you are saying something but your brain is seeing something. Anyhow, I fixed it. I hope it's right.
So the answer is right and time is 9 seconds for 95 milliseconds.
Correct. Because I am thinking out aloud. Brain doesn't want me to
And
think
this was
out.
difficult. I mean, these are big numbers.
No, it's not big number yet. It's fine. No excuses. What I am trying to say is that sometimes, your brain is creating a different visual and your tongue is going out of sync. But I immediately realized that and I fixed it. Okay, what was my time?
9.495.
Okay, let's do it again. Give me another.
Any number?
Any number. Yeah, don't show me the calculated display.
Yeah. So 87.
Sure, any number. Yeah.
By 78.
Sure. Just say start and then start. Have you reset the
no,
stopwatch?
yeah.
Okay.
So start.
49 plus 64, that's 53, 113. So 11, 30, 57, 67, 30, 67, 86. Stop. Did I say 57, 86?
No, you said 67, 86.
Wow, 67, 86. Wow.
That's the right answer.
That's the right answer. Thankfully, he was looking at it. So it is the right answer. STM memory is evanescent. It is ephemeral, Even if you're distracted, like mildly, I said the answer, but I could not, remember what I said. So I'm not trying to peg the number. This is what I'm trying to say. I'm just trying to, go with the flow, momentum. If I lose the momentum, so like, there is something called Maut Ka Kuan in India. I don't know what it's called in English.
Oh, I know.
Basically, I'll tell you, like the daredevilry, you have a sphere, a giant sphere,
Cylinder.
a sphere or cylinder, maybe, yeah. So then the rider, the motorcyclist, he goes like 360. And in one position, he's actually vertical.
Right.
Now, do you think it's possible to pull off that maneuver of Maut Ka Kuan at a slow speed?
No, it's not.
So is speed your friend or your enemy?
It's your friend.
It's your friend. So you have to go really fast. That's the trick. Another thing, you see, I told you, internal kung fu. I'm trying to engage my subconscious mind. When I go really fast, I consciously don't know what I'm doing. That's why if you ask me consciously what I did, I may not know. It's like loading a script in your brain and letting that script fire, So when I have to say it consciously, I have to, switch over from my subconscious to my conscious. Okay, fine. Let's do one more 2x2, then we'll move on to the actual challenge. Yeah. Let's do one more for sake of practice. Anything, yeah.
We'll do
make one 50 down and 50 up, because you know, just to cover all the ranges.
48 by 82.
Sure. And also time me. When you'll say start, I'll go for it. Yeah.
Start.
64 plus 8, that's 72. So 7, 20, 39, 20, 39, 36. Stop.
Ah, nice.
39, 36. What's my time?
7.15.
7.15 seconds.
Yeah.
So basically 7 seconds. Now what I said is that is the answer correct?
Yeah.
Could you just show it?
It is right. It's the
Okay,
right
just
answer.
hold it steady. Could the camera capture it? 3936, 3936. What I said is that I know that my time to do any 2 by 2, hard number, easy number, whatever number, is under 10 seconds. You gave me a 2, so it became slightly easy.
Okay.
So I could shave off like 3 seconds. But if it was all like 9, 7, then it would have taken me those extra seconds. But it's fine. It's more or less
it's almost
is
10
there.
seconds.
So are you like able to understand that this is the building block? Now the real deal, 4 by 4. Now I'll give you an idea how it is done.
Yeah.
So I'm just putting a number at random. Let's say 4768 times 3974. So in my head, I break it up into chunks of 2. So I don't put the comma here. To me, it's not 4,700 blah blah blah. It is 4768.
Right.
This number is 3974. All right. Now, what I'm doing here is that another thing, internal kung fu. You know, very important. Now, see, basically the rainbow multiplication technique is based on the technique of Vedic mathematics called Urdhva Tiryak Bhyam.
Okay.
Urdhva means upward, Tiryak means sideways, and Bhyam is a grammatical thing for two objects. So Urdhva Tiryak Bhyam, which has been well documented in many videos. In fact, back in the day in year 2007, I had created an EasyCal series in which you can't see me, you know, but you know, chances are you may have heard my voice, because somebody told me and people do tell me that my voice seems familiar. Maybe, you know, they have seen it on YouTube, but I'm just trying to flatter myself. Okay, so the rainbow multiplication technique is an STM friendly version, a short term friendly version of that same technique. And I'll tell you something interesting. The creator of the universe, you can call it nature, you can call it God, whatever you like to call it, has repeated the design of the universe at the macro as well as the micro level. I'll just show it to you. Like, you have sun at the center of our solar system, and around that you have what? The planets. So you have what? The Mercury, and then you have the Venus, and then you have the Earth, like that it goes on. So you see, now if I tell you what is the structure of atom, isn't it the exact same structure? At the center, which is the nucleus, you have the protons and the neutrons, and what is revolving around it?
Electrons.
That's it. Same structure, same structure. Do you think it's a coincidence? It's a design choice to keep things simple.
Right.
You know, so man borrows from nature, man pickpockets the nature. I did the same, and I don't have any qualms or any shame in admitting it. So my design would be repeated at a macro level as well. So now my unit, I'll use a different color. My unit is a 2-digit number, though I'll be still using the single digit numbers only, but in my head I'm seeing it like this. This is the inside. Then I'll be doing the outside. So when I do the inside, I'll get a 4-digit number.
Right.
I'll split it like this in my head, you know. Then when I'll do the outside, I'll once again, okay, some construction work, they have used the most opportune time. Wow. I wish we could focus it there. Some fireworks are going on, welding, but nice. Okay, it's done. Okay, now this is what I said. First I multiplied the inside, I got the 4-digit number. Then I multiplied the outside, I got a 4-digit number. Then I have to stack them in my head like this, and then I add them. Now when I add them, I get either a 4-digit number Or if it's a 5, then it's always a 1 here, which is a good thing.
Right.
We have been invaded by the army of
Oh, yeah.
mosquitoes. But anyhow, we'll continue. See, we are taking the pain for your learning. Okay, now we are not done yet. Now I'll do the last with the last. In the original rainbow, I do the first with the first as the second part, but here to make it more STM friendly, I have just done this small tweak. I'll do the last with the last. That would once again generate a 4-digit number. Now once I have this blue thing, I can just let go of this. This is not important because I already got what I wanted. Then I do the last with the last, I get a 4-digit number. So I'll be adding it in my head, and then I'll be doing the first with the first, and once again I'll get a 4-digit number.
My God.
And that would yield a massive 8-digit number.
This is crazy.
Now Adil bhai was saying, yeah, see, Shan is saying,
I mean, to do this in your mind is
come
absolutely...
on, mosquitoes.
Seems
okay.
impossible.
Okay, fine. No, I'll tell you something. Adil bhai, he said that, well, what's the trick to do it? Could you tell me the trick? I just told him one thing. What is the trick to bench press 400 kgs? Is there a trick? You can say what's the technique of doing it. I would agree that, there is a technique of doing it. But if you think that trick can lift on your behalf, sorry. And that would defeat the purpose. Why are we even doing this in the age of calculator and computer? It is for this reason. If you don't use your brain, you are going to lose your brain. Very soon it would shrink to the size of a peanut. The convolutions on your brain increase the surface area. The more convolutions, the more surface area you have, the sharper your brain would be, the more strong your memory would be. Just like your muscles, the more you engage them, the stronger they become. And if you don't engage them, they tend to get wasted away, isn't it?
Can we take a mosquito break?
No mosquito break, See, mosquitoes are against me, but I'm ready to brave why are there no mosquitoes on my head?
I have like million mosquitoes on my head.
He has been blessed with mosquitoes, so is our camera person. Now let's go for it. Now before I actually take the challenge, Adil bhai, would you like to use a random number generator?
No, I mean, I am a random number generator.
He's the random. Oh, come on, you have to trust him.
I am challenging you. I don't think you can do it.
Please reveal your credentials. Please introduce yourself. Yeah, we know your name is Adil. Could you tell us more about yourself?
Basically an engineer.
Okay.
And right now I'm working in a multinational company.
Which is by the name?
Cipla. I'm working in Cipla. I worked in GE and other companies before.
GE, Cipla. So basically he's a trustworthy person,
And I am challenging him because I don't think that he can do it.
Yeah.
I tried it myself using different techniques. I don't think he can do it, so I'm going to give him a really difficult time. And mosquitoes are here to help me out.
Yes, okay.
So you can trust me. I mean, I'm going to give him a difficult time.
Sure.
I really don't think you can.
But make it fair. Don't keep all the digits 9 or 8,
Absolutely.
Just, make
we'll
it...
start with a simple warm-up thing.
No. Yeah, okay. Maybe I can have 3 attempts.
Yes.
If I get it right in the very first one, the challenge is that I have to do it under 2 minutes. All those long Herculean calculation. I cannot say the answer in parts.
Right.
When I say stop, I'll have to blurt out the entire answer at a go. So that's the added challenge, and the mosquitoes.
Yes.
Okay, so I always say this. My dad used to say this Punjabi couplet. He had learnt it from somewhere, so I just pass it on to you. That खिलाड़ी जीत भी जानते हैं, खिलाड़ी हार भी जानते हैं,
Right.
It's a massive calculation.
It's crazy.
Yeah,
actually.
it's around 40 micro calculations make this macro calculations, So it's actually a 10 by 10 challenge to think of this way.
Right.
And you have to get all of them right. Mathematics is a ruthless subject. It's all or nothing. Even if I get one calculation wrong, it's nothing. It's wrong. So that's why, it's like an insurance policy. I just say to lower the pressure on myself that खिलाड़ी जीत भी जानते हैं, खिलाड़ी हार भी जानते हैं. Okay, here we go. Come on. I'm ready for it. Bring it on. Okay. And you have to time me as it. Forget about the calculator. Just
No, I'm just thinking the number right now.
Yeah.
It's not pre-decided.
And you can hear me out. In case you are in doubt, I'll put on a display. I'll also put some animation because I would not be writing anything.
Right.
So later on, I'll put on some animation so that you can learn from it. What is going on in my head,
So you're going to calculate it?
I'll just write down the number and then I'll calculate it verbally because that's the challenge, the water level,
Right.
Okay, just say the number. Okay, he's getting a call from somewhere.
So number will be 3572 multiplied by 7 4 6 8. Oh my god.
Okay. I wanted to put the commas, but somebody would object that you are cheating. You're making it easy for yourself.
Okay, so I have the answer. Nobody else can see it. Can you see the answer? This is the answer. It's crazy. I don't think he can do it. Let's see.
Oh, come on. He has already shown the answer as well. Okay. I'll keep the pen. See, I'm not going to write down anything, but when I blurt out the answer, you have to put it down.
Okay, sure.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes. Say start whenever you are ready.
Start.
14 plus 28 is 32, 42. So 420 and 53, 20, 53, 28. 53 and 28. Okay. 30 plus 24, that's 54. So 540, 23, 40, 23, 80. 2380, 2680, 7680, 2608, 2708, 2708. Come on, 2708. Okay. Now 12 plus 56, that would be 58, 68. So 680 and come on, 680, 48, 80, 48, 96. 48, 96. So 56, 96. Come on, 56, 96. Hold on. 56 and 96. Okay. Then you have 35 plus 12. That's 37, 47. So 470, 25, 70, 25, 90. So 25, 90. 25, 117, 26, 17. Stop. Write down the answer. 26, 17, 56, 96.
Is that it?
26, 17, 56, 96. Okay.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Oh shit, I have to do it again. 3572 multiplied by 7468 is, you got it slightly wrong. 75696 is right. 2 is 6 is right. This is 6. Well tried. And the timing is 1:30, which is
1:30,
awesome, which
see?
is too good.
I gave you 30 seconds of buffer in the challenge, you know.
was good.
So that was good. See, all or nothing. That's why, that's the beauty of mathematics, you see. 40 micro calculations done at the top of the head. When I'll hear the video again, when I'll, you know, edit it, I'll know where I went wrong. But obviously, mistake is a mistake. Let's go
crazy,
one more
man.
time.
It's crazy.
One last time. You have too many mosquitoes.
Yeah.
So, you know, even actors take multiple takes. Okay.
ब्राइटनेस इज ओके. अच्छा थोड़ा इसको ना टैप करके वो कर दो. ओह बाप रे बहुत डार्क.
रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है कि नहीं?
ऐसे कर देना बीच में, जस्ट टैप करके.
क्या
हाँ, थोड़ा डार्क हो गया था.
ओह डार्क हो गया.
टाइम इज 7 राइट.
अच्छा चलिए जल्दी से we'll write one more question that Adil would generate. If it, I'm not saying that I'll get it right this time. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work
Sure.
out. You know, I'm getting sore. I can't run 2 marathons back to back. Yeah, but I'll try. Yeah.
Okay, so my God, they're just falling on me. 4, 6, 2, 3
Okay.
multiplied by, let me say 5, 8, 3, 7. So this is the crazy answer. And just tap and increase the brightness if required, huh?
Okay. I hope this thing is visible, the entire question. Once again, I'll hand over the pen to you.
Thank you.
Oh, come on. Added load.
Ready?
Come on. Yes, go for it. Say,
Three.
hold on. No. Yeah, say start whenever you're ready.
3, 2, 1, start.
15 plus 16, that's 31. So 3, 10, 13, 10, 13, 34. So 13 and 34. Okay. 18 plus 28, that's 26 and 46, so 460 and 1660 and 102, so 1702. So that would be 1702, and that would be 3002, 3036, 30 and 36, 30 and 36. Okay. Then you have 9 plus 14, that's 23, so 238, 38, 51, so 851. Oh, come on, 851. So how do I stack it? 851, 851, so that would be, come on, 851, 44, 51, 44 and 51. Okay, now you have 30 plus 32, that's 62, so 620 and 2620 and 26, 2668, 2668, 2698, stop, 2698, write down, 2698, 4451.
Okay, so the time is 1:37, which is really good. Answer is right?
Yes.
Oh my god. I had erased it. Let me just.
Okay, do it again. Our camera person Shan, he has
269,
confirmed the
844,
answer.
51. Oh my god.
You know, come on, give me a hype. Oh yeah,
Good
Corona
one.
time.
This is good. Brilliant.
What I'm trying to say, you know, is that
I'll just take a mosquito
okay,
break.
sure, mosquito break. What I'm trying to say is that these are mental calisthenics. Imagine if you are capable of lifting so much load. These days, people complain of short attention span, loss of focus, children not able to concentrate. Adil bhai, you can speak from behind the camera. Doesn't it require Herculean,
It's
gargantuan
crazy. I
amount
think
of focus?
I
you
will
know?
need few years to accomplish it, I guess.
Come on, Shan, come in front.
So he's the guy who.
Come. You are wearing white, don't worry. Yeah.
He's the guy who did.
He is the. Is he fitting in the frame?
little bit.
You know.
Fine, I think.
Yeah, though I have not trained him, so I'll say he's Eklavya, not Arjun, you know. Without my training, he could do the 200-digit memorization. Shan, what do you think? You have just seen how it is done. Come on, you are the guy who doesn't give up, you know. You surprised me, you know. You memorized those 200 places of pi in flat 2 hours. What do you think about this? How much time do you think you need to come up to this level?
The time is variable, but the practice is immense. A lot of mental practice needs to be done, and you need to be very strong, and the will to never give up should be with you.